Delete. Okay na, go. No. Okay na, back again. Wag. May blood. Dito sa may ano, OP5. Care on backline lane. Care. Dito tayo mag-push sa likod. Yan, dito tayo mag-push sa likod. Run over them on south. Yan, just run over them on south. Nice. Defensive. Nice. Pasok sa outpost. Just pasok lang sa outpost. Pasok sa outpost. Find the Judy then heal. Find Judy then heal. Nice. Okay, wait. Just wait lang. Okay, now tsaka na. Go fake engage tsaka na. Wait lang. Tsaka na. Nice. Okay, nice. Back again. Back lang. Back. Wala pa. Wait lang. Just wait lang. Okay, now ready. Cap now. Deep east. Ready. 3, 2, 1. On me. On front. Nice. Very good. Okay na. Naku, damage. Meron sa south. Spread on outpost. Spread. Okay, now look east ha. Look east. Wait lang. On south. In south. Okay, nice. Very good. Okay, now. Second engage on east ha. Wait. Okay, nag-out pa. Nag-out sila sa east. Okay, now. Full DPS on east ha. Okay, now. Ready. Pop your boots now. Ready. Deep. 2, 1, on me. Big clap on me. Triple. Nice. Very good. Back again inside. Okay, now. Defensive. Pop your defensive. Gigabats. Poison. Okay, now. Heal on Judy. Defensive na home front. Front. Just front lang. Full spread muna rito sa outpost. Full spread outpost. Ready for counter ha. Disregard yung nasa west ha. Pop your boost going east. East now. Ready. 3, 2, 1. On east. Nice. Very good again. Now go out on north gate. Out on north gate.